Have you ever pondered the riddle that is your immune system? This intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs is as complex as the plot of a gripping mystery novel, and equally paradoxical. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of our bodies, constantly solving puzzles and protecting us from harm, yet at times it can seem more like a confused Inspector Clouseau, accidentally harming the very thing it's meant to protect. The immune system is our body's defense force, always on high alert, ready to wage war against microorganisms and other harmful invaders. It's like a vigilant superhero tirelessly fighting off the bad guys. But here's the twist. Sometimes our immune system can be a little too enthusiastic, like a hyperactive toddler on a sugar high. It starts seeing enemies everywhere, even where there are none. This is when it can turn into a villain attacking our own cells. Sounds paradoxical, doesn't it? Well, that's because it is. Our immune system is the very definition of a paradox, an entity that combines contradictory features. It's like a seasoned detective who can't differentiate between the good guys and the bad guys, or a superhero with an identity crisis. Consider allergies, for instance. When you have an allergic reaction, it's not the peanut, the dust mite, or the cat hair that's causing the trouble. It's your own immune system overreacting to these harmless substances. It's like a bouncer at a club who's so eager to keep trouble out, he ends up tossing the harmless partygoers out on the street. And then there's autoimmune diseases, where the immune system, like a confused secret agent, mistakes your own cells for enemy spies and starts attacking them. It's like James Bond suddenly deciding M is the villain and going on a mission to take him down. The immune system's job is to protect us, but in its zealous pursuit of this mission, it can sometimes become the very thing it's fighting against. It's like a plot twist in a blockbuster movie, where the hero turns out to be the villain. Humor aside, understanding this paradoxical nature of the immune system is crucial in the field of medicine. It helps researchers develop treatments for conditions like allergies and autoimmune diseases, and also paves the way for new strategies to boost our immunity. So what have we learned today? Our immune system is a paradoxical superhero, always ready to protect us, but sometimes a little too eager to fight. It's like a detective who can't tell the good guys from the bad, or a bouncer who throws everyone out of the club. It's a complex, fascinating, and at times hilariously confused system that keeps us alive and well. In the end, it's safe to say that our immune system is a lot like a good comedy. Unpredictable, full of surprises, and capable of making us laugh and cry, often at the same time. So here's to our immune system, our body's paradoxical comedic superhero.